Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download AEK mobile banking application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download AEK Bank mobile banking app, open up your App Store or your Play Store. In the search box, type in AEK Bank and search. Once you find the application that says AEK Bank 1826, tap on the Get button to begin the app download process. Once the application starts downloading, wait for a few minutes. AEK Bank 1826 is a mobile banking app which allows you to conduct your banking transactions quickly anywhere at any time. You can view your current assets, current portfolio balances, manage and capture payments, including payment slip scanner. Once the application is downloaded and it is ready for use, you need to tap on the Open button to launch Open AEK Bank online banking application. Agree to the terms and conditions and start logging into your e-banking account. That is how you can easily download AEK mobile banking application using your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.